Yeah, where are you from?
I'm from
I'm from
Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Oh, you're
How
from.
about
How
you?
about you?
Where are you
Where are you
from?
from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Do you know about my country, Bangladesh?
No, I
No,
don't
I don't
know.
know.
Oh, I don't. So, do you know India?
I know
I know
India.
Yeah,
India.
yeah. Bangladesh is very close
Probably
to India.
Probably
Okay,
Chennai.
Chennai, right?
let us
Chennai.
talk.
Chennai,
Chennai.
Chennai.
Yeah, Chennai.
Huh?
Huh?
Bangladesh very close to India.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
What are you
What are you
doing?
doing?
yeah,
Hmm?
so what did you say?
What are you
What are
doing
you doing
now?
now?
I'm just here for practicing my English as well as I'm making this video for my page.
Where are
Where are
you?
you?
Hmm?
What is the
What is the
sound?
sun?
Dark. Do you know dark? What is dark?
No, I don't
No,
know.
I don't know.
Where are
Where
you
are
now?
you now?
I am in a village. I live with my family. That's why sometimes you can hear dark sound because always they try to shouting, screaming.
Okay, okay,
Okay, okay,
okay.
okay.
It's okay, no
It's okay, no
problem.
problem.
Okay, so may I know how did you learn your English? Because your English is so beautiful.
My English is
My
very
English is very
beautiful.
beautiful.
Yeah, yeah.
Really?
You can speak in English very
No,
well.
I
No,
cannot.
I cannot. No,
No, I can
I
speak
can speak
English,
English,
but little
but little
bit.
bit.
Nice to know
Nice to
you,
know you,
yeah.
yeah.
I don't know.
Hi.
Hi.
Nice to know
Nice to know
you.
you.
So listen.